The Netafim Arrowflow Garden Irrigation Kit includes high-quality materials: PE irrigation pipe, dripper tube, Arrowflow drippers, 16mm barb elbow, 16mm barb T, end cap, tap connector, dripper punch, 16mm barb nipple, dummy plug, and 5mm barb connector. Let's take a look at the simple installation process. Measure and cut the PE irrigation pipe from the tap of your last pot. Secure the pipe to the tap using the tap connector and a 16mm barb nipple. Use a 16mm barb T or elbow to change the direction of the PE irrigation pipe as needed to fit your garden layout. Mark where your plants are, then punch holes in the pipe using the dripper punch. To punch, push the lever forward. Press it on the pipe at the desired spot. Release the lever and pull the tool back. Cut the dripper tube to the height of your pots and attach a 5mm barb connector to one end. Fit the other end of the barb connector into the punched hole in the PE irrigation pipe and secure it. Its leak-resistant design will keep your floor clean and dry. Connect Arrowflow dripper to the open end of the dripper tube, making sure it's securely connected. Place the Arrowflow dripper near the plant and press it gently into the soil. For larger pots, use multiple drippers. Repeat these steps for all your pots. To close the other end of the PE irrigation pipe, use the end cap. Pass the pipe through one hole, fold it and insert it into the other hole. If you need to stop watering a particular pot, remove the 5mm barb connector and close the hole with the dummy plug. Check all connections, then turn on the tap and let the water flow.